Good afternoon, everyone. Here we are again at Takas Mansion. They are pouring another post from between bedroom number 3 and bedroom number 4. Ayan po. Abot-abot sila. Nahakot. Pasa-pasa. Pahirapan mo na may naghakot. Mabigat yan. Ayan po ang kanilang diskarte. 11 lang sila ngayon. 11 workers. Hindi po muna pumasok yung iba at wala naman masyadong gagawin dahil wala pa yung bakal, waiting pa rin sa bakal. Tantyahin nyo rin yung hawakan at plastic laang yan. Pag bumitaw yan, laglag yan. 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 We're here at the front, the foyer, terrace, or yan. Kahit ano pang may tatawag natin yan. So, let's make a tour. Yan. This is the, I think, maybe receiving area, this area. Then going inside, living room. And living room until here. And then the other half, there is dining. That's the exit to the terrace at the back. Dining, then there's that area will be music room, powder room, and then the laundry is at the back. And then here we're gonna have an island counter, I think, or here. That's the kitchen. There's a fridge over here. And then let's go to bedroom number 1. Here will be the entrance. Then a little bit there is the own CR of bedroom number 2. Ayan. Malaki po ang CR. Grabe oh. Malaki. Pwedeng isang papag dito. And then the whole area of the room. Kulang pa sa panambak. Ayan po. Then let's go to bedroom number 2. Ayan. Katapatan lang po. This is the door. This one is the door. We've closed the door here, so we're gonna reopen it. So there's a secure door for the room, for the restroom. Ayan. And then this is the bedroom. Ayan po, bedroom. Then this area will have a TV, a stereo, or kung ano man ang pwedeng ilagay sa area na to. Tapos ito po ay sliding palabas ng terrace. Ayan. And then we have at the back, this entrance is gonna be the walk-in closet. Oh, antaray ni Don Takas. Meron na siyang walk-in closet, panis. Let's enter. And then this one will be the entrance also for the CR, the restroom. I think this will be a door or a sliding. I don't really know right now. Ayan. Would you look at that? You see? It's a big restroom. Grabe, ang laki. 2 meter, hindi lang 2 meters. 3 meters by 3 by 3. 3 meters by 3 meters. Or 2.5 meters by 2.5 meters. Ang lapad, ang malaki. CR lang ni Don Takas yan. Saan ka pa? Yan. Yan, we're outside already. Gonna go to the living room again. Living room and dining room. Ayan. Ito yung pinakang walk fat niya. Punta tayo rito sa bedroom number 3. Ayan po. Bedroom number 3. Ito na yung CR niya. Ay ko. Mahaba naman to, pahaba. Pwede rin bathtub. Toilet, then shower. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano yung position niya. Basta na-imagine ko lang. Laki oh. Ayan. Siguro 3 meters by 1.5 meters. Yes. Tapos ito na yung pinakang floor area ng room. Laki, grabe. 1, 2. Pagkasya tatlong kama. Nice. Ayan, baka hindi ko na ma-send to. 7 minutes mahigit na. Part 2 na lang yung susunod na bedroom. Babush!